channel! Una sa lahat, I want to thank every one of you who's supporting my channel, and I appreciate your comments and suggestions on the comment section. May nagtanong sa akin kung paano gumawa ng coins.ph wallet. Kaya naman, for today's video is a tutorial on how to make a coins.ph wallet. Ang coins.ph wallet ay isang virtual wallet gaya ng Paymaya, GCash at iba pa. Ang kaibahan lang nito ay ito pa lang ang kauna-unahang virtual wallet sa Pilipinas na tumatanggap ng cryptocurrencies gaya ng Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash at Ripple. Para makagawa tayo ng coins.ph wallet, i-download lang natin yung app sa Play Store or sa App Store. Buksan natin yung app. Let's create an account. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng Facebook para mag-sign up. Depende sa gusto nyo. Guys, I won't be able to show you my screen at this point kasi while entering my password, yung screen ko naging black. Ibig sabihin, secured yung app kasi it's not allowing me to record while creating my password. But I will still be able to instruct you on how to do this. So, enter lang natin yung mobile number na gagamitin natin dito. Tapos, create password. Kailangan strong yung password nyo. And it should be at least 8 characters and 1 number. I-tick lang natin yung I agree to the Coins Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Then once this create my account turns to blue, itap lang natin yan. Then a verification code was sent to your phone. Tapos, enter lang natin yung code dito. And then, submit. Choose your PIN. Parang sa ATM lang. Mag-create kayo ng PIN number. At this point, we already have our coins.ph account. Let's log in. Ito na yung bagong account natin. Since phone number pa lang yung na-verify natin dito, limited lang yung kaya nating gawin. Pindutin natin yung receive. Let's see kung mag-show up yung wallet address natin at kung pwede na natin gamitin yung other features nito. Try natin pindutin yung receive from an e-wallet. Oops! Sabi dito, take a clear photo of yourself to use this feature. Take my selfie lang tayo, then submit. Success! We can now cash in, buy load, pay bills, send money, buy game credits, buy Bitcoin after sending our selfie. Ngayon naman, kailangan lang nating gawing level 2 verified yung account natin to cash out. Punta tayo sa menu, dito sa left upper corner. Click on Limits and Verification. Now we're done with level 1 verification. Kailangan naman natin i-complete yung requirements for level 2 para makapag-cash out tayo. Hindi lang puro cash in, di ba? So, itap natin yung verify sa email verification. Ilagay lang natin yung desired email address natin dito. Then it will ask you to enter the verification code na sinend sa email nyo. Once na-submit nyo na yung code, okay na yun. Ngayon naman, let's proceed to the identity verification. Click lang natin yung verify. First time signing up? Yes. This time, you need to provide your SSS or GSIS number. If not, then any valid government IDs na tinatanggap nila. Mamili kayo sa list na to kung ano dito ang meron kayo, pero ako ang gagamitin ko ay yung UMID. Enter UMID number. Tapos, picturean nyo yung front page ng government ID ninyo. Sagutin nyo lang yung tinatanong, then provide your SSS, TIN, or GSIS number. Binigay ko yung SSS number ko. Your employment status. Then provide a brief detail of your employment if you are employed. Ayan! Finally, we have completed the requirements for a level 2 verified account. Kailangan na lang nating antayin ang approval ni coins.ph, and it takes 1 business day daw for the team to review your ID submission. Antay-antayin na lang tayo, then pwede na tayo mag-cash out. So there you go! We were able to create and verify our coins.ph wallet. I hope you guys enjoy using this app and manage your online transactions securely. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please take care. Bye!